welcome back. Mojito de Ajo. We're talking here about garlic dip, Puerto Rican style. And it's very simple. It consists of garlic, a few garlic teeth, peel, olive oil, extra virgin. It's up to you if you want to add a little bit of salt. And it's up to you if you want to do a little bit of the lemon squeeze. That's it. Now, I can say here and dry recipe, but that's not how Puerto Rican dishes work. You want to learn how to cook Puerto Rican, you have to watch somebody doing it. So join me and let's create. So here's the start of the dish. Garlic. Now you have to do one or two things. You have to smash it in what we call the pilon, or you have to mince it. And I like using this when I mince my stuff. You just put it here and squeeze this stuff. See, this is mince. And in this case, I also use this part. And that's pretty much it. So I have the heat at medium here in this little pot. You can use also a saucepan, small one, it doesn't matter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of this garlic. Just not much, just enough. And I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. And I'm not going to cook a lot. I can actually cook half a cup if I wanted to with this amount of garlic. But I decided not to because, it's only for one meal. I'm going to be eating this alone. So I really don't need a lot of the mojito. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. See how nice it's starting to look? You're going to cook this for no more than 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of the lemon, strong hand, strong squeeze. And this is optional step, the lemon part. See? Doesn't take a long time. And you know what? I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil. Just a little bit more, just to save some for tomorrow. Now the idea here is you don't want the garlic to be burned. Now some people add salt now, some people add it later. If you add the salt now, you're going by knowledge more so than taste, because you're not going to want to taste hot olive oil. So I'm going to put a little bit based on knowledge. And actually, let me switch it around and use this side. Just a little bit. Based on knowledge. You don't want this frying. It's been about maybe 2 minutes now. That should be sufficient. So let me get it out. And what I do now, I let it cool down. So practically what I'm going to do, I'm going to move things from here. I'm going to run it to this because I don't want the garlic with my little sauce. And you don't have to do this part either. You can leave it together. But I'm not. I'm just getting this stuff out. And I actually prepare half a cup. which is sufficient for what I wanted to illustrate today. And then you add perhaps a little bit of pepper or a little bit of thyme or oregano. And what I'm going to do, I put a little bit of salt already when I was cooking it. I'm going to add a little bit now.